Hi friends, last class we discussed about exercise 1.1. Now we discuss exercise 1.2. The first question is find the number by using prime factorization method. The question is express the first question is express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. The first question is 140. 140 you're going to represent as a product of its prime factors. So the last digit is 0, so we can divide with 5. 5 2s are 10, 4 will remaining 0, 5 8s are 40. Again, the last digit is 8, so we can consider as a 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 7s are. So 7 is a prime number, and this 140 can be represented as 5 into 2 square. Here also 8, the last digit is 8. 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. So here 3 plus 9 12, so it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 13 is a prime number. So 156 can be represented as 2 square into 3 into 13. The third one is 3825. Here the last digit is 5. You can divide with 5. 5 table 38, 5 7s are 35, 3 will remaining, 5 6 are 30, 2 will remaining, 5 5s are 25. With 5 1s are 2 will remaining, 5 3s are 2 will remaining, 5 5s are 25, 1 will remaining, 5 3s are 15. So 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are. So 5 plus 1 6, so again it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are, 2 will remaining, 3 7s are. So 17 is a prime number, so this can represent as, so 3825 is equals to 5 square into 3 square into 17. So this is how to find the given number as a product of prime factorization. First bit, last two problems, you can do the problems, and the second bit is find the LCM and HCF of following integers by prime factorization method. How to find the given numbers using prime factorization as LCM and HCF. We will see one question. The first question is 12 comma 15. We will see LCM first one. First 12 I am taking, 2 6 2 3 15, 3 5 21, 3 7. So 12 I am representing as 2 square into 3, and 15 I am representing as 5 into 3, and 21 can represent as 7 into 3. So here the highest prime is 3. So therefore HCF is equals to 3. HCF equal to 3. Now similarly you are going to find the, so this is HCF. Similarly you are going to find the LCM. Twelve, 15, 21. So 12 can represent as 2 6 2 3 3 5 3 7, and this is LCM is equals to 12 is equals to 2 square into 3, 15 is equals to 3 into 5, and 21 is equals to 3 into 7. So here the 3 is a common, so LCM is equals to 3, you can write it as one time, 3 into 2 square, and the non-representing values you can write 2 square into 5 into 7. Now you can multiply 3 into 2 square, 2 square 4, 4 5 is 20, 27 is 140, 143 is 1420. So LCM is equals to 420. So HCF is equals to 3 and LCM is equals to 420. So similarly you can find the other one, and the second one is 17, 23, 29. 17, you can observe clearly 17, 23 and 29 are prime numbers. So automatically you are getting the HCF as HCF is equals to 17. So 17 can represent as 17 into 1, and 23 can represent as 23 into 1, and 29 can represent as 29 into 1. So therefore here highest common factor is 1. HCF is equals to 1 you got. Similarly LCM is equals to 17, 23, 29. No common numbers, so 17 into 23 into 29. By multiplying these 3 you are getting the LCM. So 23 into 17, 17 3 is a 51, 17 2 is a 34, 39. 39 into 391 into 29, 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 3s are 27, 27 35. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6. Similarly, you have 3 more problems. So I think you can do the problems. So you can do the problems. And the next question is 72 108. 108. So 72 I am representing as 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 2 2s are. And 108 can represent as 3 3s are 3 6s are 3 12s are 3 4s are 2 2s are. So HCF is equals to, now you can represent as 72 and 108. 72 can represent as 3 square into 2 cube, and here 108 can represent as 3 cube into 2 square. Whenever you are getting the values like this, you can remember that HCF is equals to lowest power of the common number. That is, here 3 square is there and 3 cube is there. So here lowest power is 3 square, and here 2 cube and 2 square is there. So you can represent as 2 square. So that is nothing but HCF is equal to 3 square, 9 into 4, 36 is the HCF. And now you are going to find out the LCM. LCM is equals to so here highest power of a common factorization, that is nothing but 3 cube into 2 cube. See, whenever you are finding the HCF and LCM, lowest power of the common factorization, and here LCM is highest power of the common factorization. So 3 cube 27 into 2 cube 8. 8 9 is 72, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 7 23. 232 is your LCM. So 8 7 is 56, sorry, 8 7 is 56, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 5 21, 216. Check whether 6 power n can. Here the third question is, check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. For any natural number n. So here you can understand that 6 power n can end with the digit as 0 or not, you are going to check. For example, 6 power n, since n is a natural number. Now you can take in place of n as 1, 2, 3. 6 power 1 is equals to 6. 6 square you are getting as 36. 6 cube you are getting as 216. That means, and so on, 6 power 100 also you are getting as the last digit is 6 only. So that means by seeing this data we can understand that 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0. So therefore 6 power n cannot end with the digit 0. Explain. Fourth question is explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are a composite number. So now you are going to explain how this number is a composite number. Now we'll see how the number is a composite number. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. If you observe clearly for the given question, if you observe clearly 13 is a common value, so I am taking a 13 because you have the sign plus. So for that reason I am taking the plus as a common. 13, if I take the common as 13, 7 into 11 into 1 plus 13 table 13 as a 1. 13 into 7 into 11, 77, 77 plus 1. So 13 into 78. So 13 into 17 is a product of 13 into 78 is a 13 into 78 is a composite number because 13 into 78 can represent as 13 into 6 because here you are getting the common factor. So therefore the product of, therefore we can say that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number because two factors. It has more than two factors. So if you want to multiply this, you are getting as 13 8s of 13 into 13 into 6, you are getting as a 1004. So 2 6 into 5 into 4, you can take the common as 5 because in this also you have 5. If I take the common as a 5, 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Close the bracket. So 5 into, now so 7 6 are 42, 42 into 4, 42 into 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 24 plus 1 25. By multiplying these two, 24 2 is 48, 24 4 is 96 plus 4 100. So that is nothing but you are getting as 7 6 are 42, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 24 into 42 you are getting as 105. By multiplying these two you are getting as 5 9s are 45, 4 0 5 1s are 5. So 5045 is a composite number. So therefore 5045 is a composite number. Therefore 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is also a composite number because it has more than two factors. If you look at the next two, 5 and 6 problems are, fifth problem as similarly according to fourth question, and the sixth question is also similar to the third question. Friends, after seeing these videos, please subscribe all my videos and comment and also like and share. Thank you.